Yep, from inner to outer, you're just wiping them.
Oh.
Really take that cloth and get it really sudsy. Hi! Oh, there's bare nicks all over you. It's just the white stuff from birth. And we'll wipe that off. Yeah! Can I get under your chin? I know.
Oh, he's getting red now.
All these things we do to you, huh? And then we'll just put them right back skin to skin after I finish the bath, okay? And he'll warm the same exact way. You're going to smell so nice. Yeah. Yeah, you will.
It's okay, dude. You're alright. I know. It's so confusing. You're okay.
So I don't see any wet diaper just yet. So we'll keep looking for those. The line on the front. I'm sorry? The line on the front. Yeah, it's yellow now. When he's wet, it's just kind of blue-green color.
You're okay, man. It's right down the middle of it. So.
Yeah.
You're okay.
You don't need to do anything to it. It's okay if it does get wet, but you don't want to ever put it in the bath.
Okay.
Your butt. Yeah. Give you a nice wind. Yeah. Sorry. This cloth must feel nice and warm, though. You're strong. Open that hand. I can't even open it.
Oh. Okay, dude. Alright. You're okay. It's alright.
Get all these suds off of you. Yeah. What'd you say?
You're alright. I know. It's okay, I promise. You're okay. Before you know it, you'll be on Mommy's chest.
Take another one to dry them off.
Okay, alright. Okay.
Make sure you get under that neck really good, because stuff wants to hide under there, and it doesn't feel so pretty. After a while, huh? Yeah. Oh, we'll get you right back to your mom, I promise.
Oh, Mommy, I hope you're ready. You got a tall order. Here you go.
Tie you all up.
You're almost ready.
And everything in here. Wipe. If you have a lot of stuff, we'll get you in more.
Okay, little guy, okay.
I always fold the diaper down a little bit for now, just to get the belly room to heal.
You're okay, man. You're okay.
So what we're going to do is just kind of pick them on up. You're going to hold them next to you like a football, and then you want to block his ears so he doesn't want any water